The roots of the rainforest hold wisdom that heals and transforms. Welcome to this ancestral adventure with Aya Healing Retreats. With expert facilitators who will guide you before, during, and after the retreat. In addition to the valuable guidance of the Shipibo Masters, guardians of ancestral wisdom, connect with your body and your spirit. We offer you a safe space to connect with the master plants of the Peruvian Amazon and with the wisdom that dwells within you. Each ceremony, each sacred chant, is a step towards your integral well-being. At Aya Healing Retreats, we will also provide you with the knowledge of the indigenous peoples, their history, their native languages and traditions. Valuable information provides to us by indigenous science. Through our digital platforms, we will stay connected to tell you more about us, our retreats, the master plants, and the coexistence in the indigenous communities, as well as the myths and legends of the Peruvian rainforest. Enjoy this journey into your inner self. Feel the experience of Aya Healing Retreats. Are you ready? Schedule your free orientation call today.